You're watching How Leap. Let's make a collage on your Instagram story. Open the Instagram app and swipe right or tap your profile picture to create a new story. On the camera screen, swipe left on the capture modes at the bottom until you find the layout option. It looks like 4 squares. Tap it. You will see different grid layouts. Select one, like a grid of 2, 3, or 4 boxes. Tap the shutter button once to take a photo for the first box, then tap it again for the next. The camera will guide you to fill each section. Alternatively, tap the gallery icon in the bottom left to select existing photos for each box. After filling all sections, you can tap the layout icon again to change the grid pattern. To customize, tap the drawing pen icon to add doodles or the text icon to add captions. You can also tap the sticker icon to add GIFs, polls, or music. Once your collage is ready, tap your story to share it with all your followers, or tap send to share it with specific friends. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.